Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Kheer mix at home step by step. Begin by toasting short grain rice until slightly golden, then cool and grind to a fine powder. Mix with dry milk powder, sugar, and ground cardamom. Fold in chopped pistachios and almonds for texture. Store in a dry, airtight container and label with date. Use 2 tablespoons per cup of milk to make quick Kheer. Measure ingredients precisely for consistent results, starting with rice, milk powder, sugar, and cardamom. Toasting the rice adds nutty flavor and removes moisture, so the mix stores longer. Grind until powdery but not overheating to preserve aroma. Fold in chopped nuts and a pinch of saffron if desired. Keep the mix in a cool, dry place and always use a clean, dry spoon to scoop servings. Bring fresh milk to a gentle boil, then reduce heat and whisk in the Kheer, mix slowly to avoid lumps. Cook on low for 8 to 12 minutes until slightly thickened and creamy. Stir frequently with a wooden spoon so it does not scorch. Add a teaspoon of ghee for shine and extra flavor, then fold in toasted nuts and a few saffron threads for aroma. Serve warm or chilled as you prefer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.